Hi guys, welcome back to Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video in my kitchen. Okay, so it was raining outside. It's almost 1:30 in the noon. I haven't eaten breakfast. So I all of a sudden I saw a reel of white sauce pasta, but I am not going to prepare pasta, but I am going to prepare this white sauce. I don't know what is it called. I am here showing you all. So I saw this reel, so I have already attempted this recipe. I have already done once. It tasted so good, so I thought, okay, why not just prepare this. That is what I'm going to do. So welcome to my kitchen and welcome to another, what should I call this, cooking series. First things first, I got all, first of all, like the main reason why I made up my mind to prepare this is because I have all the ingredients, luckily. So I have this spinach here, it's good in iron, so I'm gonna include a lot of it. It's trying to just make it healthy, I know. So I'm gonna wash, cut and show you all the next process. Okay, I'm gonna take this bowl and put all of the cut spinach in this. Okay, I'm not gonna cut all of these, I'm just gonna cut the leaves and that should be fine. Okay, we have so much. To this we need corn. Now both together should be fried, so I'm just gonna half and then just gonna remove it like this and then put it in the same bowl. Now I'm going to pour milk. I put the whole pack of milk, and for this, there in the video they have used maida, but I think I'm gonna use besan instead of maida because I'm cutting down on maida, so I don't want to use a lot. Just gonna take one whole spoon of besan gram flour and put it into this. I think this is just for the consistency maintenance. It will just have that thicker consistency. I think I'll take a little more and then put, it's okay even if it is besan. I think we will need little more milk. Okay, there in the video, they haven't used anything. I've used chili flakes and oregano. Unfortunately, I don't have oreganos. Last time I had, I just included that as well. But this time I don't have. I thought of ordering, but then I thought no, let's do it without oregano. So instead of that, I'm gonna go put Maggi masala. So I'm gonna experiment. It's not going to be the same recipe. So I have just experimented a little bit. So I'm gonna put little bit of Maggi masala and let's see how this one tastes. If you just put pasta or Maggi into this, white sauce pasta or white sauce Maggi, but I'm not gonna put Maggi or pasta to this. Oh wow. It still has that milky taste, so I'm gonna boil a little more. So I also have just half of the cheese, so I'm just gonna put that as well. I'm just gonna quickly take another pan, and while that is just boiling, I will just prepare some toasts. So I have brown bread, no maida bread.
A few moments later.
Okay, here is the final it looks. I just added little bit of coriander. I will just do the taste test here, and I'm just gonna take little bit of this. Smells good. It just exactly smells like the last time that I had prepared. I think this time it's a little more juicy. Here we go. The coriander is just adding so much to the flavor. It's too good. I think you definitely need to try. Just try adding more coriander at the end, so it just brings our all flavor together. I hope you liked it. If you think this video a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you in my next one. Bye.